Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at a tablet stand. So this is a floor stand that's going to support any of the tablets that are currently available today on the market. And this is from JETech. Let's check it out. Go through the actual demo of the floor stand. Let's talk about some of the features and functionality that you get with this. First of all, it's widely compatible with most of the tablets that are on the market today. So it's going to range from devices that are as small as 7 inches, as large as 10.8 inches. So that's going to cover your traditional iPad 2, iPad 3, iPad 4, 2017, and even the Samsung Galaxy tabs is what you see on the screen here. It does have a 360-degree rotation, which is great. It has an adjustable pull, which we're going to see in a couple seconds, and it has a gooseneck that's going to allow you to adjust this. Now, there's several use cases for this. You could use this if you are a musician and you have your actual, I would say, music on screen. You could use this as a greeting kiosk if you are in a doctor setting or an office setting. You could use this if you are just using this in a speech and you have your, I would say, your lecture or your notes here on the tablet, and you can rotate it because it's really at a nice height. And as you can notice also at the very bottom there's this little hook. For those of you who like reading in the bathroom, guess what? You could even put toilet paper on it. Not that I would recommend it, but hey, that's a feature you can have. And the cool thing about it is that it's completely removable. So you don't have to have that on there. It's just an add-on feature. All right, so let's first of all start taking a look at the gooseneck and the tablet holder. So we're going to go ahead and rotate this over to the side so we can see this. So on the back here, you're going to notice that the mounting mechanism is spring-based. So this opens and closes. It's going to hold on to your tablet. You'll also notice that you have a very similar adjustment knob here that you find with GPS systems. So if you think about how you put your GPS in your car or your phone and you have that mounting bracket, and what you do is you just adjust this area right here. So this is going to give you that flexibility. This is what you would do to adjust it. And once again, this is going to be spring-based, so it opens and closes. Now this is what is referred to as the gooseneck, because this you have some flexibility. So you can actually, and it's pretty stiff, okay? So you don't have to worry about it falling down. So you can adjust it to whatever position you want. So you can lower it if you'd like. Or if, like I said, you're giving a lecture or using this as a portable podium, you could actually just have it angled just like this. Now you have some adjustments, height adjustments, where you could even lower this. Let me show you how that works. Now the base itself for the stand is weighted, so this is not going to be something that will blow over easily, and if somebody were to bump into it, it's hard for it to fall over because of the weighted nature. Now what you can do is, you see this little clip right here, as soon as you press it, it comes down. So you have a line right there that suggests what the maximum height would be, which is right there, but if you want to lower it, all you have to do is bring it down just like this, and you can see how low this would be. So if you think about if you're playing a musical instrument and you're sitting down and you want to lower this to this level, you could do this as well. And remember, you can rotate this any way you'd like. Now, you do have that toilet paper holder that's right here, which is optional, and let me show you how you can take it off. So to remove the actual toilet paper holder, all you have to do is press this button here, raise it, this comes off just like this, and then you just place this back in place, slide it back in, and now this little piece won't be seen. So this concludes our review of the JETech floor stand tablet holder. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment area. Make sure you hit that subscribe button over there, and see you in the next one.